How to install and import Python packages without coding. Visual Python. Many of the elements we will use for data analysis through Python are essentially things that programmers have already created. For example, if you want to display the words "Hello World" on the screen, you just need to type this in the command input. Here, the function print represents one of the pre-made elements mentioned earlier. Developers have already designed it so that if you write print and include content within brackets, it will display that content. We are not developers, right? We just need to know how to use what they've already created for data analysis. The elements are called by different names, ranging from the most fundamental unit, which is a function, to module, and package. Your computer contains many folders. Inside these folders, you'll find various files, each containing valuable content. In this context, think of these folders as packages, the files as modules, and the content within the files as functions. We can either utilize the packages that others have created, or if there is excessive content within a package, we can selectively use specific modules of functions from it. Where should we bring them? There are two places where we can bring packages, modules, and functions. Hardware and memory. Hardware can be easily thought of as your laptop or computer, and memory is the workspace inside this device. This workspace, called memory, is volatile. So when you finish your work and close the program, everything on the workspace disappears. In contrast, information in the hardware remains intact until you delete it. We use the term install to download elements to the hardware, and import to bring them onto the workspace for use in Python. The basic theoretical explanation is over. Now, shall we learn how to install and import packages, modules, and functions with Visual Python? Please refer to the card in the upper right corner for Visual Python installation and execution instructions. Launch Visual Python and click on the icon that looks like a stack of coins in the upper right corner. This is the Package Manager, which provides a convenient way to install most of the packages needed for data analysis. If you need a specific package, you can click the Install button to download or upgrade it, or even remove it. Alternatively, you can add packages you'll use in the future directly, making it easier to manage upgrades. Once you've installed the packages or modules, functions you want to use on your hardware, you'll need to bring them onto your workspace. Click on the Import icon in the Data Analysis category. Just like before, we've made it easy for you to import frequently used packages, modules, and functions. You can choose what to import by checking the boxes, and you can execute them using the Run button at the bottom right. If you are curious about the code before executing, you can also view it by clicking on Code View to the left. Visual Python has prepared elements for both data analysis and machine learning. If what you need isn't there, you can add it using module or function. Use module if you want to add a package or module, and use function if you only want to add functions. For module, an input field will appear in the form. Fill the first box with the name of the package or module you want to import, and the second box with the alias you want to give it. For instance, Visual Python assigns the alias PD to the pandas packages. For function, an input field will appear in the form. In the first box, enter the package or module name, and in the second box, enter the name of the function. Once everything is ready, click the Run button to execute. Isn't it incredibly easy and convenient? We haven't written a single line of code, yet Visual Python has taken care of everything. Importing is just the first step in data analysis. Going forward, we will introduce numerous features provided by Visual Python. And the thought of how easily you will be able to handle them already makes me excited. Visual Python.